Well, I'm beat. I worked hard today. There she is. It's not done, but it's getting awful close. Show you what I got going on here. This here, where the water tote's going to go. And it's obvious when you look at it, that's going to be inside. So it's going to be right there. I probably build the ground up a little bit. Maybe I put some SM Blue underneath it and some blocks. Give it some airspace underneath. But that's going to be inside. What I'm going to do is I'm going to spray foam the entire floor, except for right here. Here I'm going to spray foam. If you look underneath, you see that pressure treated wall. I'm going to spray foam that wall. Put some chipboard on the back, spray foam it. Spray foam that wall. I'm going to spray foam that wall. Spray foam that. And then I'll spray foam across the front. And then basically, the entire floor, otherwise, over there, will all get spray foamed. And what the plan is put the tote right there. And in there, I'm going to level off underneath. I'm going to probably put some SM Blue down as well. And maybe some 4x4 base. And that's where all my batteries are going to go. So basically, they'll be inside, but they won't be inside. They'll be under the floor. And then this part of the floor won't be secured down at all. It'll just be laying there. And then I'll have my panel box, my inverter, charge controller, and then either on this wall or this wall I'll have all my plumbing. Probably on this wall will be all my plumbing. And then basically I just walk to it. And because my battery is going to be underneath the floor, it means I got a whole bunch of extra space. So that's the plan. That's what I've been working on all day. I still have to do a little bit of, I got to put a few more blocks underneath and a few more patio stones. Not patio stones, but, well, they might be patio stones. They're pretty thick. Just to secure it. I've got that stone right there with that block. I'm going to have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'm going to have 13 of those. 5 down the middle, 4 on each side. And then it's fastened to both buildings. So that was the plan today. And I'm beat. Now I'm going to go have a shower.